Good morning, guys. Please open your books. And today we are learning about CH sound. Wait, which CH sound? Is it like chicken and chocolate? Yes, CH sounds ch, as in chair, cheese, and chocolate. Whew, that's easy. But what about school and chemistry? There's a k sound. Exactly. Sometimes CH sounds k, as in school, chemistry, course. But chef sounds like sh. What's up with that? Aha, that's the sh sound, like chef, machine, champagne. Oui, monsieur, that's because they're from French. Which CH word surprises you the most? Comment below and practice with us. And now you know.